I will discuss about the major domains of the earth. So before I discuss, I tell you what is the domains of the earth. Domains means a particular land of the field. Okay, it is used for some person, some things, or etc. So this is the domains. Domains means a particular land or particular field captured by the some person or something. So now come to the next point. So what is the major domains of the earth? So major domains of the earth means some things of the earth is presented which we need for growth, like the atmosphere, like the hydrosphere, lithosphere and the biosphere is together are called the major domains of the earth. Okay, so this is the 4 point of the major domains of the earth. Means number 1 point is atmosphere, number 2 is called hydrosphere, number 3 is called lithosphere, and then 4 number point is biosphere. So see, in the lithosphere we know that where we live, this is the crust, but this is the part of the lithosphere. Means see, this is the world and this is the world and this is the part of the earth. Okay, so this is the earth and this is the part of the, this is the earth and this is the part of the earth. Okay, and this part, if we cut it, so this type, okay, will come. So see, this first part is what? Lithosphere. So first part is called lithosphere and second part called mantle, and third part is called core. We know that, yes or no? So in the lithosphere is divided by the 2 parts. One part Ciel and one part Sima. Ciel and Sima. See, in the lithosphere upper part called where the living organism live is it known as what? It known as crust. Okay, so crust. So see, lithosphere's total extension from earth surface to where under the soil or under the earth 100 kilometer. This is the approximately length from earth surface to under the earth. So this is the length of the lithosphere. Okay, the lithosphere is divided by the 2 different parts. One part we said that Ciel and one other part is Sima. Sima means actually the ocean surface, okay, big water bodies, and other part Ciel means the large landmass means continent. So we know that we have how many continents? We have 7 continents. Yeah, Asia, Europe, North America, South America and Africa, then Australia, then Antarctica. So this is the 7 continent. This is the 7 continent. Okay, this is the 7 continent of the world. Means it is the part of the Ciel. Now come to the next. Sima means the biggest water bodies. The biggest water bodies also divided by the 5 different parts. We call it is in small letter, we call it is in Paisa. Paisa means the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. This is the 5 large water bodies in where? In the earth surface. Okay, so this is the part of the Sima. Understand? So this is all together part, means this paisa means the ocean means big water bodies, and the land together are known as what? The lithosphere, because this is the part of the lithosphere. Understand? Then it now come to the next point, means atmosphere. The atmosphere, we know that the atmosphere surrounded by the all side of the earth look like a blanket, means we in this season we cover our body by the blanket, like this way that atmosphere also cover the full earth surface like a blanket. So atmosphere also have that how many stage? The atmosphere have that 5 different layer. In the lower part called stratosphere, then the lower part called stratosphere, not the lower part called troposphere. This part means lower called troposphere, then stratosphere, then mesosphere, then thermosphere, then exosphere. Okay, mean ionosphere. This is the part of this 5 different layer of the atmosphere. Okay, now come to the next point, where in the hydrosphere. So hydrosphere means this is also part of the Sima, and this is the biggest water bodies. Basically hydrosphere means water. Which land covered by the water bodies? This land is known as hydrosphere. Okay, hydrosphere means water. See, our hydrosphere means, this hydrosphere means where you get that water, this is the part of the hydrosphere. Understand? Means lake, pond, river, okay, ocean, seas, all together means all the water bodies are known as the part of the hydrosphere. Okay, now come to the next and last point, this biosphere. That biosphere made by the help of 3 different spheres. 3 different spheres means hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. When these 3 spheres combined and meet and together made that sphere. Which sphere? Biosphere. Understand? And this biosphere means the living organism. Means these 3 spheres create some living organism. Living organism means what? Means creature. Means like animals and plants. Okay, animals and plants and different types of other creatures. Okay, means the life. Understand? So from, if you go from the earth surface to above, in the up to the 7 kilometer, and if you go in the down from the soil approximately 6 kilometer, you find what? The life. So this is total approximately the 13 kilometers from earth surface to up and down, the life you found. This is the part of the biosphere. And if you go to where in the ocean, approximately 90 kilometer, you find the life. So this is also part of the biosphere. Understand? So this is today's lesson. What lesson? That major domains of the earth we will see in next era.